Discovery is the lifeblood of existence. In every human, there's a sense of exploration that makes science's most recent discoveries incredibly exciting. The vast frontier of space is home to countless discoveries that we could soon uncover, and scientists work tirelessly to better understand our place in the universe. Back on December 18, 2020, scientists announced that a radio signal 982 MHz was detected. This discovery was made by the Parkes Radio Telescope in Australia, and this came from Proxima Centauri, which is known to scientists as being the nearest star to us, second only to the Sun. This particular region of space is of interest to scientists because it was discovered to be the host star to an exoplanet, Proxima b. This predictably makes it, alongside its counterpart Proxima c, the closest exoplanets to our solar system. We do not know masses about this exoplanet. We cannot place an accurate guess as to the age, nor do we know definitively whether it has moons, though we can make guesses. Researchers don't seem to think that Proxima b has moons due to its unstable orbit, which is relatively short, as Proxima b is 20 times closer to its star than the Earth is to the Sun. We have a lot of question marks about this planet, despite it being so close to home. Overall, it's safe to say our concrete knowledge is somewhat limited to the distance and orbit. If the planet was formed at the same distance from the star that it is now, then the planet will have much less water than Earth, and a quicker developmental pace. Again, several different approaches and opinions are being investigated. What scientists did find interesting is that this signal was detected coming from this region, although some were quick to state that more information is needed on this publication, as radio interference on Earth can be a factor in regards to these discoveries. When this was published though, researchers at Scientific American published more details about the interesting discoveries, saying that the signal has been given the name of BLC-1. The first breakthrough listen candidate event was detected over a 30-hour period, with further observations being carried out in order to get to the bottom of what this signal was, and where it was specifically coming from. However, the mysterious signal has not been detected since. The news is exciting as it's the first time that we've detected a signal like this coming from such a close region in space. As of right now, the signal is somewhat of a mystery. There's astronomers that suggested that a faint signal was detected coming from the Proxima Centauri system, while others have argued that what was detected was actually just a signal that could be human radio interference. Interestingly, 10 days before this announcement, astronomers detailed that they detected a strange bright light coming from the region in which the signal was allegedly from. As of right now, the astronomers can't seem to agree on the origins of this signal. Although we've not yet discovered advanced life in our solar system, that does not mean that we are totally without neighbours. In fact, it's the very study of these easily visible nearby neighbours that has allowed us to learn so much about the endless stretch of space that surrounds us. Recently, a surprising discovery was made about the star closest to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, which is the smallest member of the Alpha Centauri system of the Centaurus constellation, and is located just over 4 light-years away. Findings published in the Astronomy and Astrophysics journal detailed how a team of astronomers analysing observations made by the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope in Chile located another planet orbiting the nearby star, which makes it the third planet in this small neighbouring system. It seems that the study of this strange new little planet dubbed Proxima d could tell researchers about elements of our solar system that were previously unknown. Firstly, it orbits incredibly close to Proxima Centauri. For reference, Mercury orbits our own Sun at a distance 10 times that of Proxima d's orbit of Proxima Centauri. One lap around its host star takes just 5 days, while the other 2 planets in the system, Proxima b and Proxima c, take 11 days, and a whopping 5 years respectively. Additionally, with a mass barely a quarter of Earth's mass, it's one of the lightest exoplanets that's been discovered so far. Due to the closeness of this neighbouring system, scientists are keen to learn its secrets. However, knowledge of the Proxima Centauri system is actually rather slim, as Proxima b was not confirmed as a planet until 2020. In fact, it was the study of this planet using instruments on the Very Large Telescope that led to the discovery of Proxima d, as mere hints of a corresponding signal surrounding this new planet. An astronomer with the ESO had this to say: "This achievement is extremely important. It shows that the radial velocity technique has the potential to unveil a population of light planets, like our own, that are expected to be the most abundant in our galaxy, and that can potentially host life as we know it. This result clearly shows what this telescope is capable of, and makes me wonder what it will be able to find in the future." While it's unlikely that Proxima d itself is playing host to life, due to its orbit well outside of the habitable zone from Proxima Centauri, there is no doubt that the Large Telescope results, which have already uncovered so much from the Alpha Centauri system, will only continue to grow our knowledge with a plethora of future discoveries. So what do you make of these interesting discoveries? Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comment section below, and help us to grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.